Oftentimes, you must be working with a list of entries or data like these, or even like maps, say for like restaurants or businesses on Google Maps or any maps like this. Here, specifically, we are looking at pharmacy maps. And if you want to extract or like crawl pages of data, you can do so with Retriever. For the first two pages of data, extract the name, address, phone number. If you want to put some like filters, you can ask so, and you can ask for as many pages of data you want. So we got there are 50 records on the first page. So we got exactly 50 records of data right here, and then as you can see, it navigated to the second page to finish off our task. If you want to look at the data, we got the name, address, phone number, everything like detailed, whatever is available. It's like going on to the next page as well. And then we got more data. So we got like three pages of data, like 150 records. If you want to cancel, you can cancel it. You can want to continue, you can continue it. I clicked on cancel for now.